how will the government shutdown impact your money? The answer depends on who you are and how long the shutdown lasts. Most immediately, hundreds of thousands of federal workers deemed to be non-essential will be furloughed, so they won't be working and they won't be getting their regular paychecks. They will get their pay retroactively, but this time around it might be a little bit different because President Trump has threatened to fire many of these non-essential workers. Thousands of other federal workers deemed to be essential will continue working, but they will not be getting their regular paychecks. Economists say a shutdown that lasts less than about 2 weeks or so shouldn't have much of a financial impact or an economic impact in the broader sense. However, the financial pain will get more severe the longer a shutdown lasts. So it's important to note during this time that Social Security and Medicare benefits will continue flowing. However, because thousands of federal workers won't be doing their everyday jobs, there are certain services that are likely to be disrupted. So that includes certain Social Security services, maybe housing programs, nutrition assistance, veteran claims, those types of things. National parks and monuments are closed during a shutdown. TSA agents and air traffic controllers may also decide not to report to work the longer they go on without receiving a paycheck. So all of this amounts to disrupted travel plans. If you're a home buyer who needs to get federal flood insurance to secure a mortgage, you may not be able to do that in the short term. That's because the federal flood insurance program is closing to new policies during the shutdown. The healthcare premiums for millions of people are also indirectly at stake during these government shutdown negotiations. Democrats want to extend what's called enhanced subsidies, or enhanced premium tax credits, that are set to expire at the end of 2025. And if they do, then people's healthcare premiums will more than double, according to some estimates, in 2026. For investors, it's important to note that the stock market has generally been resilient in past government shutdowns, according to market analysts. So most investors would be well served to stay the course, and if there are any dips, it might even be a good buying opportunity. For more on how the government shutdown could affect your wallet, check out the link in bio or go to cnbc.com.